There's Martin firing my AR. Is that a beauty or what?
I have a hard time seeing.
Can you see the red dot okay?
No.
You can't see the red dot through the scope? Here, let's hold the rifle real good. See if that looks any better. No, right here. Look through here.
Oh.
Is that any better or?
There we go.
Is that good?
Yeah, we're cooking now.
You can fire them as fast as you want, as long as you can keep that dot on the target.
No, that's mine.
Pull this back and let it pull it back hard. Pull it back hard and let it fly. There you go. You're ready.
Tap, rack, bang.
You realize it's gonna. Yeah, I read the gun ought to surprise you every time.
Uh-oh.
It's just
Pull it back and hold it back. Oh, you didn't slap the magazine. Okay, you're ready.
Good. I just said tap, rack, bang.
There you go.
I think it blew the target.
Yeah, you blew the paper off.
Oh, crap.
All right, put it on safe. Lay it down. We'll go hold with the range here.